Morning students. Now today we are going to learn about some basic geometrical ideas like curves, simple curve, open curve, closed curve, position of a point in a figure, polygon, sides, vertex, adjacent vertex and diagonals. Let's see one after one we'll discuss. Very first, curves. Now what is curves? The figure that can be drawn without lifting the pencil from the paper are called what? Curves. Maybe the one figure without any lifting the pencil drawn, it is known as what? Curves. Got it? Now then the simple curve. Now what do you mean of it? Simple curve. A curve does not cross itself, right? Is known as what? Simple curve. Maybe it's right shame like curves only. Now third, open curve. So which is not closed. The figure search is known as what? Open curve. What it is? Open curve. Now fourth, closed curve. See, like curves, the figure which is already not open from the any point is known as what? Closed curves. Got it? Next, position of a point in a figure. Maybe it's a figure. So any point. Suppose point P. So is known as what? Position of a point in a figure. Of a point. About the point already we have learned earlier at the beginning of the chapter, right? The dot is used to represent point, right? Now next, polygon. Then after what? Polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed curve made up of what? Line segment. Closed curve, but which is made up of what? Line segment. Is known as what? Polygon. Maybe having a 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, whatever number of the sides, but figure which is made up of what? Line segment is known as what? Polygon, right? A simple closed curve made up of line segments. Understood? So it is known as what? Polygon. Then after, next is sides. See, suppose it's a polygon PQRS. So there are 4 different sides, line segment PQ, QR, RS and SP. So are known as what? Sides of a given polygon, right? Then after, adjacent sides. So adjacent means what? Continuously, which is already one after one. Suppose PQ, side PQ, and which is the adjacent side of it? QR, as well as on the another side PS, right? Same way, what are the adjacent sides of QR? PQ and RS, right? Are known as what? Adjacent sides. In another word, we can say its vertex is what? Common, right? Now next, having a common endpoint. Next is vertex. The point where two sides of a polygon meet is called what? Vertex. Suppose, see, there are two line segments PQ and PS meet at which point? P. So we can say P is a what? Vertex, right? As well as suppose SR and SP. So which is the vertex of it? S, right? What is the definition of it? 2 points where two sides of a polygon meet is called vertex. Got it? In the given figure, P, Q, R and S are the what different vertex of the polygon. Got it? Now then after adjacent vertex. However, adjacent sides as it is adjacent vertex. Right? Maybe see which are the endpoints of SR and SP. Line segment SR and line segment SP. S, right? So we can say S is a what? Vertex, right? As well as RQ and RS. So which is the vertex? R. Understood? Now diagonals. Do you know what is the definition of it? A line segment that joins two non-consecutive. One of the very important point over here. Non-consecutive point, right, is called diagonals. See here, two non-consecutive point PQ in polygon PQRS. P and Q are consecutive points, right? But P and R non-consecutive. Non-consecutive means what? One not connected, right? Not continuously. So here PR and QS, PR line segment PR and line segment QS. QS, yeah, in another word, RP and SQ are the what? Diagonals. Got it? So all of you understood about it? Good. Now let's see. Go with the exercise 4.2. First example. Classify the following curves: open and close. See the first figure, figure A, like Z. So what type of figure it is? Anybody can tell? Open, right? What? Open. Next, B. So it is not open from the any. So we can say what? It is a closed figure, right? Third, C. See here, it is already open. Their both endpoints are not together. So we can say what it is? Open, right? Now figure D. It seems like our triangle. So it is also what? Closed figure, right? And last one, E. Like what? Trapezium is a one type of quadrilateral. About it we will learn next year. There, because opposite sides is what? Parallel, right? So it is also what? Close. Got it? So out of 5 figure, A and C are the open, while B, D and E are the what? Close curves. Got it? Sure? Good. Now let's go with the example number 2. Draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. First, A, open curve, and B, close curve. Is one of the very simple and easy. See, open. So their endpoints may be open anyway, so we can see this what open, right? Close, whichever types of figure we will draw, so it is what close. Got it? Sure. Good. Now third, draw any polygon and set its in the interior. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Interior means what? The part covered inside by the any figure. Maybe it's a polygon. What we have to do? Shade it. That already you are learning in the drawing how to shade it, right? So like this way you have to shade it. The whole interior part. So your figure is completed. Understood? Sure? Good. Now go for the next, fourth. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Consider the given figure. See, its figure seems like a what star. Such a figure is given. What is asking here? Is it a curve? Yes, it's a what? Curves, right? Because why? When we drawn without lifting the pen or pencil. Understood? Second, is it close? Yes, it is a what? Close, right? Yes, it's a close. Right? So from the figure only we come to know, because its starting as well as end points are what? Similar. Now next, example number 5. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. First, example number 5. A closed curve that is not a polygon. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Closed curve but not a polygon. We have learned about the polygon, right? It is made up of what? Line segment. So maybe what it is a one closed curve, right? It is not open from the any, but it is not a polygon. Because why? It is made up of what? Curve, not by line segments. Got it? Now B, an open curve made up of entirely of line segments. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. Open, so maybe it is made up of line segment. We have to just make it open from the anyway, not we have to close it, so we can say it is a what? Polygon. Got it? So like such a figure is already showing the open curve. Got it? Now last, see, a polygon with two sides. It is an impossible task. Polygon with two sides, right? Because if it is a two sides, so it's never be a what? Polygon, right? So we can say it is what minimum three sides are required for a polygon. So it is not possible to draw a polygon of two sides. Minimum how many sides we required? We must require three sides. Must have at least three sides. Polygon must have at least three sides. Got it? So like this way, whole exercise 4.2 is completed over here. Now in next period, we will learn about angle and interior and exterior of an angle. Okay, bye.